What up, YouTube? Check out this delicious crock pot beef and noodles recipe. Super quick, super easy. To start off, you're going to brown the beef. Get a pan screaming hot, add some oil, and throw in your beef. This is 3.5 pounds of stew meat. I'm going to dust this with salt, pepper, garlic. Add the other packet for the full 3.5 and more salt, pepper, garlic. This is just to brown the meat and start adding some flavor. Once it's all brown, you're going to get a lot of juices out of this. Drain those juices off. You'll still have plenty when you get it in the crock pot, and get all that beef into the crock pot. Next, cut up 2 large white onions. While you're prepping these onions, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel and I very much appreciate it. Add those onions right on top of the beef and mince up 6 cloves of garlic. Then you're going to add 2 cups of beef broth, a half a cup of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give all this a good mix. Cover and cook for 6 to 8 hours on low. I like my beef really tender, so I'm going to cook this for 8 hours. Whatever you pick for your cook time, about halfway through, just give everything a good stir. I prepped some egg noodles to go with this, simple and easy. With 30 minutes left in the cook, an optional step here is to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is just to thicken the sauce. You can add more if you want a thicker sauce or none at all. Now just serve this up. As I said, I did it on noodles. You could do this on rice, even on mashed potatoes. It is fantastic. The sauce itself is rich in flavor, and the beef is fall apart tender. Enjoy.